Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable the site name on WordPress Blocksy. As you can see here, we have our header, and we only have our menu, our button, and our logo. What if we wanted to have, well, website assets over here? Let's go ahead and click on Customize, which takes us to the WordPress Customizer. Once we're here, let's go ahead and click on Header. And if you don't have logo here, you'll find it here on the left-hand side. You just have to drag and drop it and just click on this. And oddly enough, even if it's logo, this is where you'll find our site name or site title at. Let's click on this to enable it, and you can change it to any name you want. You can just type it there. And that's that. You can also choose to enable or disable it on desktop, tablet, or mobile, depending on what you're doing, because sometimes it takes up space and it makes it a bit cluttered or hard to use. That's what we call being responsive. Now, under design, we have site title. So if I wanted to change the font, let's change it to this one. That's cool. We can also change the font size. We can make it bigger. Line height, we can make the spacing go out a bit more, right? And also change the line height and then the font size. You can make it a bit smaller, depending on what you want, of course. And you can make it all caps or underlined or strike through. I'll keep the underline here. It only has one kind of font. And we can also change what color it is, right? Let's make it orange. There you go, orange. And when you hover over it, it's red. And then on the transparent state, sticky state, you can also change what color they are. So on the transparent state, let's make it white. And then on the sticky state, let's make it red. So when we scroll down, it's red. And then when we hover over it, let's make it orange, just to make everything backwards. Right. Yeah, okay. Now let's go ahead and see what else we can do. We can also change the content alignment to be like this, like this, like this, and you can, it depends on tablet or mobile, forgot to mention that. And you can also put it here, and we can put it up there just so we have more space. Oh, what happened to their customizer? Okay, sorry about that. Seems like I broke the customizer there for a solid moment. Let's put this up over here just so we have space. And you can see it takes up all of that space. And again, let's click on logo. And under design, we can change the margin. And let's put 15 pixels. And you can see we move things down a bit. Okay, let's do it back and forth. 0 pixels and 15 pixels. All right, and you can change it depending on whether it's too far right, left, up, down, and so on. Let's click on Publish, wait for the changes to save, and go ahead to our website to see the changes. And there you have it. We have the site name or title enabled on our WordPress Blocksy site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.